Inviting your tenants to the tenant portal is a simple process. You can give access to Stratafolio's tenant portal in just a few quick clicks. First, locate the contact for the tenant you want to invite. You can do this in many different places, and I'll show you a few. You can use the Contacts or the Tenants tab on the main organization page, and then you can use the search bar to find the name of the specific tenant or contact very easily. Another way that you can do this is use the left-hand navigation bar and use the contacts view. Here, again, you can use the search bar to help you find a specific name of a contact or tenant that you are looking for. For this example, we are going to use Paige Turner in the bookstore. You will see that they do not have login access to Stratafolio yet. Simply press the Add button and a pop-up will appear to confirm that this is the correct email address and contact that you want to invite, as well as the name of the tenant or tenants that they are connected to inside of Stratafolio. If this is correct, press Yes, Invite. An email similar to the one that you received when you were invited to become a user in Stratafolio will be sent to the contact that looks like this. The contact will then need to create a password and a login to create their tenant portal. Once your tenant has access to the portal, this opens up the power of simplified rent collection, COI tracking, work order tracking, and much more.